At least if it is the U759, you can get a good look at that new C6M.
That's for sure. Alright, second half of another weekend about to wind down here. July 21st, 2024, CN Hayes here along with the ATSF Rail Fans 1751 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin along the Canadian Nationals Superior Sub Main at milepost 353.17 with a video lined up for you on this late afternoon. We're going to have the roll-by of a northbound on the way with Ogivo to lead it. And I have a feeling this might be the U759-71 of the 18th. With a couple of ES44s to lead it, and I think the new C6M rebuild of the last batch that were previously built as BNSF-944CWs. Third on there, but I don't know about that. What we're going to find out soon enough here is it will likely accelerate away from where they stand, as there may have been a problem of where they are. We're going to find out as we will lean back and get them. Here we go. U759-71 of the 18th started at Jackson, Mississippi via CPKC, but they had a CPKC train take that from Tuscaloosa, Alabama to deliver to the CN at Jackson, Mississippi. And this will head on up to Borderham, Alberta, Canada, have it loaded with new diesel oil from there. Let's check them out on the roll by. Slow roll by as we lean back.
Rail strip for me.
It's like a new horn set, 2246. Citirail 3923 and the Tier 4 to 3201. what is the UP unit doing here? C44 unit on there. What? Are you kidding me? The C44ACM rebuild! The 7303! That was previously built as the AC4460 CW. How about that? How did that get here? I'll take that. What a pass and what a catch of the M343, 91 of the 20th. We'll do it for the 2246, the ex-Citirail, the 3923, the 3201, and the UP C44ACM rebuild of the 7303. How about that? And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great evening. See you next time, and I hope we'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes and the ATSF Railfan out.